How to buy web traffic using Binance. Visit AlexaMaster.net and add your website. Submit your website URL into AlexaMaster website. Just copy and paste. Now fill the order form carefully. There will be many options and you can select as you need. You can select the time to spend on your page, also how many visitors you need, target countries and also the traffic source. Then add to cart. Next you see the checkout page. There you can customize your order by adding more services or drop in the ordered items. Just scroll down and select your payment method. Binance is there and also there are more payment methods. Then fill your name and your contact email. You have to accept our user agreement on the website. Read it carefully, then you're gonna check out. On the payment page, you will be given a Binance Pay ID to pay your total amount. Just copy it, visit Binance. Binance help you to pay us using cryptocurrencies and other currencies. Just log into your Binance account and send your payment to our Pay ID. After making the payment, you can visit back to the payment page and fill this form. There you have to fill your Binance Pay ID and any message. Your order is already created in our website. Now, fill your ordered email address here to see the advance report. You can see your order is pending. Later, our staff will activate your order.
AlexaMaster.